health alert is out this morning as whooping cough cases surge just before school starts. The CDC reports last year's cases were 6 times higher than in 2023. The rise in cases comes as new data shows a record number of children did not receive their recommended vaccinations last school year. This bacterial infection is highly contagious and causes severe coughing.
In very young children, as many as 2/3 will have periods where they stop breathing. About 20% of children who are young will get pneumonia.
Health officials urge parents to get their kids vaccines now as it takes 1 to 3 weeks to offer full protection.